Did you know that copyrights and trademarks are not the same thing? You may be saying, yeah, of course, but a lot of people still get this language mixed up whenever they talk about these two things. So a copyright is a filing that you make with the US Copyright Office to protect your intellectual property. So for music, it's the sound recording, the underlying composition. For TV and film, it can be the scripts. When you create intellectual property, you have a copyright by default. But filing with the Federal Copyright Office just gives you a presumption of protection. And the main purpose for that is to protect your copyrights in the event you needed to enforce them, such as an infringement lawsuit you file against somebody else. You do have to have your copyrights registered in order to file a federal copyright infringement case against another person or entity. Trademark, meanwhile, is a protection that you file for with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, which gives you protection, if granted, over a certain mark. So this is going to be a word, right? For Apple, it would be Apple. For Nike, it's Nike. And if you're a brand and you want to also trademark your logo with that word, you can also do that as well. And you apply for this for your mark, your word mark, in certain categories depending on what you sell, what you do in commerce. And this can be for services provided, and this can be for goods as well. It can be for both or one or the other. I talk to my clients all the time about trademark protection because I don't think a lot of people, especially in the music industry, realize how important it can be. But if you're building a brand, if you're building some kind of name recognition that's outside of just your legal name, then having a trademark and what you're building can be really important because it protects you in the long run so that nobody else can come in and try to impersonate you without recourse on your end, or to try to steal your brand away from you in other fields that you may not be in yet that you may want to expand into, or in the fields that you're already in. So if you think that you need to register copyrights or trademarks, talk to an attorney about it, go get it done. It's better to do it than to not have done it and regret it one day when it comes back to bite you. If you want to ask me any questions about these things, I have a link in my bio where you can ask me any question for free. I'm the Music Law Guy. I got your back for all things music business. Be sure to follow for more great advice.